The Solar System by Molly and Gracie. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Pluto is not a planet. It is a dwarf planet. Scientists used to think it is a planet, but they've changed their minds and they now call it a dwarf planet.
Yep, keep like that. We learned that Pluto's land is frozen. Oh, you have to stay on there.
We learned that the sun was made from thick clouds of dust and gas. We learned that the moon looks black in an eclipse.
Uranus is a very cold planet like Pluto.
We learned that parts of the Earth facing the sun are having daytime.
We learned that Venus has mountains and volcanoes.
Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system.
We learned that sometimes the moon goes in front of the sun and covers the light.
We learned that Jupiter has more than 40 moons. That's a lot of moons.
We learned that Jupiter has storms that are twice the size of Earth.
That's really big. We learned that Saturn's rings are made from dust, rocks, and ice. We learned that a couple of years ago, a small spacecraft was sent to Mars. A car came out of it and started taking pictures and discovering new things about Mars. It is still up there today.
We learned that Neptune is far away from the sun.
We learned that Mercury's land is hotter than boiling water. That's really hot.
The end.
The end.
Stop.